Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to the troubleshooting guide for DTC P0117, which indicates an issue with the Engine Coolant Temperature ECT Sensor 1 circuit. This error code signifies that the ECT sensor is reporting a low voltage condition affecting the performance of the engine management system. The ECT Sensor 1 is critical for monitoring the engine's temperature, assisting in fuel management, and preventing overheating. Its location is typically found near the engine block, often on the cylinder head. Understanding the implications of low voltage in this circuit is essential, as it can lead to poor fuel economy, increased emissions, or even engine damage if not addressed promptly. The ECT sensor plays a pivotal role in the performance of your Honda Civic by measuring the temperature of the engine coolant. This information is vital for the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, as it adjusts the air-fuel mixture for optimal combustion and efficiency. The sensor is typically located near the engine block or on the cylinder head, allowing it to effectively gauge coolant temperature. When the sensor detects a low voltage condition, it indicates that the coolant temperature is no longer being accurately monitored, which can impact various engine functions. If the ECT sensor fails, it may lead to incorrect fuel calculations, poor engine performance, and damage over time. Therefore, recognizing the significance and proper functioning of the ECT sensor is crucial for maintaining engine health. Multiple factors can lead to the triggering of DTC P0117. Firstly, a faulty ECT sensor could be the primary culprit, causing inaccurate readings or a complete circuit failure. Another possible cause is poor electrical connections, which may arise from corrosion or loose terminals at the sensor or the PCM. These connections are vital for ensuring a steady flow of information between the sensor and the PCM, and any disruption can lead to voltage issues. Additionally, shorted wiring can create unexpected electrical paths, which may cause low voltage conditions in the ECT sensor circuit. Therefore, a comprehensive inspection of these components is essential to accurately diagnose the underlying problem causing this DTC. When experiencing DTC P0117, several symptoms may present themselves. Drivers might notice poor engine performance, such as a rough idle, stalling, or reduced throttle response, which can be attributed to incorrect fuel mixtures caused by inaccurate temperature readings. Another common symptom is increased emissions, as the engine may run inefficiently, leading to higher pollutants being released. Additionally, the dashboard's check engine light will likely illuminate, alerting drivers to the need for further diagnosis. Addressing these symptoms promptly is crucial, as neglecting them can lead to more significant engine concerns over time, affecting vehicle performance and reliability. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0117 involves verifying the problem using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This ensures that the system is active and ready for diagnostic checks. Next, clear the existing DTCs using the HDS, as this resets the vehicle's diagnostic history. Following this, check if the P0117 code returns as either a pending or confirmed DTC. If the code reappears, it indicates a persistent issue with the ECT sensor or its circuit, necessitating further troubleshooting steps. If no error is indicated, it could suggest an intermittent failure or a temporary issue. In Step 2, the focus shifts to isolating the ECT sensor itself to determine if it is faulty. Begin by turning the vehicle off and then disconnect the ECT sensor 1-2P connector. This disconnection is vital for accurately assessing the sensor's condition without interference from other components. Once the connector is removed, turn the vehicle back to on mode and once again clear the DTC with the HDS. After clearing, check for the presence of any confirmed or pending DTCs. If the P0117 code appears again, this often indicates a problem with the ECT sensor itself or the wiring connected to it. If it does not reappear, replacement of the ECT sensor is recommended. The third step involves checking for shorted wiring, specifically in the temperature wire TW line. Start by powering down the vehicle to the off or lock mode to ensure safety during testing. Utilizing the HDS, jump the SCS line, which helps to maintain the diagnostic circuit active for a longer duration. After waiting more than a minute for the system to stabilize, disconnect the PCM connector number 1, 96P. At this point, continuity testing between specific test points can commence. Check for continuity between test points 1 and 2. Test point 1 is located at the female terminals of the ECT sensor 1 2P connector, while test point 2 is connected to body ground. If there is continuity, this indicates a short in the TW wire, which will require repair. If there is no continuity, it suggests that the TW wire is functioning correctly, and further investigation into the PCM or service information should be conducted. After completing the necessary repairs relating to DTC P0117, it's crucial to conduct a final verification of the work performed. The first step is to test drive the vehicle under typical operating conditions. During this drive, monitor the engine performance, ensuring that it runs smoothly without any unusual symptoms. Keep the HDS connected or utilize a scan tool to check for any returning DTCs throughout the drive. Verification is essential, as it confirms that the repairs addressed the underlying issues adequately. If DTC P0117 does not reappear, it indicates successful troubleshooting and correction of the problem. Otherwise, further investigation might be required. Preventive maintenance is a proactive approach to avoiding issues such as DTC P0117 in the future. Regular checks of the ECT sensor can be beneficial, ensuring that it remains functional and provides accurate readings. Inspecting wiring connections routinely can help identify signs of wear or corrosion before they lead to circuit failures. This is particularly important in areas exposed to heat or moisture, which can degrade wiring insulation over time. Additionally, keeping the PCM software updated with the latest manufacturer specifications will allow for optimal performance of the engine management system. By investing in preventive measures, the longevity of the vehicle's components can be significantly enhanced. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTC P0117 is essential for maintaining the overall performance of your Honda Civic. A systematic approach to troubleshooting can uncover the root causes behind low voltage in the ECT sensor circuit. By following the detailed steps outlined in this guide, you can effectively diagnose and repair issues associated with the ECT sensor and its wiring. Ensuring long-term maintenance through regular inspections of sensors and wiring will not only prevent potential DTCs, but also enhance the vehicle's reliability and efficiency. Ultimately, proactive vehicle care will lead to better driving experiences and longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.